Airplane. Airplane. The airplane is flying in the sky. Baby. Baby. The baby is sleeping in the crib. Car. Car. He drives a red car. Desk. Desk. She is sitting at her desk. Envelope. Envelope. He put the letter in an envelope. Flower. Flower. The flower is blooming in the garden. Guitar. Guitar. He plays the guitar very well. Hat. Hat. She is wearing a blue hat. Island. Island. They are vacationing on an island. Jacket. Jacket. He put on his jacket because it was cold. Kite. Kite. The kite is flying high in the sky. Lion. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Mountain. Mountain. They climbed the mountain last summer. Nest. Nest. The bird built a nest in the tree. Ocean. Ocean. The ocean is very deep. Pizza. Pizza. They ordered a pizza for dinner. Quilt. Quilt. She made a quilt for her bed. River. River. The river flows through the city. Star. Star. The star is shining brightly in the night sky. Train. Train. He travels to work by train. Umbrella. Umbrella. She forgot her umbrella at home. Violin. Violin. She is learning to play the violin. Window. Window. He opened the window to let in some fresh air. Xylophone. Xylophone. The child is playing the xylophone. Yard. Yard. The children are playing in the yard. Zebra. Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Bread. Bread. She baked a loaf of bread. Clock. Clock. The clock shows the time. Duck. Duck. The duck is swimming in the pond. Thank you for watching this video on English vocabulary with examples and sentences. I hope you found it helpful and learned some new words today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, English Steps, for more fun and educational content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep practicing and evolving your English skills. Bye for now.